Lab 3. Total Product Maintenance, TPM and Six Sigma. Questions Part A. This statement illustrates a situation about a company talking about a semiconductor. Please pause the video and read the question to understand it. This slide shows the situation of files before use. This slide shows the positions of the file after used. The pillar involved for part A is pillar 1, 5S. First is sort. Arrange the files back to their respect numbering. Then number 2 is set. Label each file with a massive number that represent their sequence. For example, 1 for 1 to 30. Number 3, shine. Make sure to dispose rust or any garbage, filling the filing space. Number 4, standardize. Put a rule in place to always verify the files are in their order. And for the last one, sustain. Host a practice to train personnel to always sustain the filing position. Pillar number 3, Kaizen. Paste up number equals to the file on the filing space, so when a file is taken out, as example, file number 3, a massive number 3 is visible on the inside of the filing space, representing that file number 3 has been taken out. For pillar number 6, training. Make sure all personnel practice and be trained for the new implementation. Pillar 7, Office TPM. Benchmark the implementation so the new practice will be standardized. Pillar number 8, SHE. Make sure the practice, materials and activities are saved towards SHE. Questions Part B, Six Sigma. To understand the question, please pause the video and read the statement. In this slide, as you can see, the total number of the positive COVID-19 is 80. For this part, we have to use Pareto chart and using the dynamic approach to react the highest case in flying high sendirian berhad. From this chart, the causes that need to take care of first is foreign worker, since it has the highest number compared to other causes. Foreign worker also has 20% alone. By using dynamic approach, the first methodology is define. The problem statement is the increasing the number of the positive COVID-19 cases in flying high sendirian berhad. Industrial Response Team and cooperation with the Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia (KKM) will working together to reduce the number of positive COVID-19 with Delta variant cases in this area. This cooperation should be able to eliminate the positive of COVID-19 cases. Next methodology is measure. From the data given and the Pareto charts, it clearly shows that foreign worker is the highest contribution in the increasing of the positive of the COVID-19 in flying high sendirian berhad. This problem should be handled from foreign worker cause to do not use mask cause. This is because the foreign worker have the highest number while do not use face mask is the lowest number of the positive COVID-19. Analyze. Since foreign worker is the major causes in increasing of the positive COVID-19, airport must be the root of the increasing cases because they must travel by airplane and arrive at airport which hold a lot of people from various countries. Since there is a lot of movement in the airport, the virus can easily be spread all over the place. Improve. First, to handle this problem, we need to start with quarantine all the positive COVID-19 patients which been identified. Then we should ask all workers to do COVID-19 swab tests to detect if there are someone with this virus and ask them to quarantine immediately if they get a positive result. Next, sanitize the area of flying heights in your neighborhood to kill the remaining virus. Not only that, every worker should also update their health status in My Sejahtera apps and scan the QR code whenever the workers want to check in some place. Finally, the company will follow the SOP by the government and do some inspection by KKM from time to time. Control. To prevent the increasing of positive COVID-19 reoccur, extra safety care measurement needs to be applied. For example, worker must wear PPE suit when they must meet client. Plus, if the task doesn't require the worker to come to the company, they can perform their works and duties from their home. Discussion. TPM and Six Sigma are important methodology that can bring a lot of benefit to the company that apply this methodology. The advantage of TPM is to proactive and preventative maintenance, reduces workplace disorderliness, increase lifespan of equipment, and encourage workplace design and maximize flow, productivity, and efficiency. All these pieces build a foundation of safety for employees at all levels. For Six Sigma, its advantage is aligning key business processes to achieve those requirements and utilizing rigorous data analyzed to minimize data variation in those processes and driving rapid and sustainable improvement to business processes. Conclusion. In conclusion, the understanding of both TPM and Six Sigma is an important step towards a safe working environment and to ensure everyone within the sites can interpret and make valid measurement towards any problem they come to face. Without them, a workplace would be in total mayhem and everything left unchecked would cause a fatal problem for both personnel and the company. That's all from us. Thank you.